Welcome. If you want to change your lock screen wallpaper in Realme Narzo 30, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to choose personalization and then pick wallpapers. We can go for the static wallpapers, live wallpapers, and also our smartphone pictures. So you can set your favorite picture. But I would like to go for the default wallpaper for the static, and I'm going to change for this one, or maybe for this one. So select picture, click apply, and then tap lock screen. Take a look right now. We successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.